This is the beautiful Vintage Coach Ranch bag, style number 9852, in the color black. And this bag was made in the US sometime in the early 90s. So if you're familiar with the stewardess bag, the ranch bag is kind of similar in shape, in my opinion. But one major difference is that it doesn't have purse feet on the bottom like the stewardess bag has. So it is kind of similar to the popular stewardess style, but a little bit different. And in my opinion, it's a little bit less common or more rare to find than the stewardess bag. Or at least I don't see as many of them as I typically do of the stewardess bag. So that's kind of a little bit of background on the bag. So now let's take a closer look at the bag itself. So it does come with a nice, pretty wide strap that is adjustable. And as you can see, it does have a front turn lock closure. So we just turn this little hardware piece to open and close the bag. So we'll turn it here and I'll show you. So it's really easy to open. And here's what the side of the bag looks like. And here's where the strap attaches onto the bag, as you can see. And then here's the back of the bag. And it does have a nice deep slip pocket along the back. And then we'll go ahead and open the bag so you can see the inside pockets. So here's the inside. So the bag's got two interior pockets. So this front gusseted pocket that sits under the front flap. And then it's also got this back zip pocket. So I would say, in my opinion, all of the pockets are pretty large, which is also nice. And then it's also got the Coach Creed stamp there along the back pocket. I'll insert a close-up photo as well so you can see it better. So that is the beautiful ranch bag, style number 9852, and she is available now in our online store. So if you are interested in looking at her further, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.